Dear friends, all of us are doing many wonderful projects. Some of you plant trees like I do. This was my first tree, and many of you plant trees. In Germany, we have planted 1 million trees. 100,000 trees. Our goal is 1 million trees. I didn't plant those trees on my own, so we used media. This was my first media conference, and we had 500 media clippings. I don't tell you this because I want to show I have done something great. I want to show you that it's easy. If we all plant trees together, we may be able to plant 10 million trees on the world. And in the media, we will have these headlines. Maybe students of the world plant 10 million trees. And then grown-ups will listen to us. Like here, they invited me to speak because I planted trees. But I didn't tell them about trees. I told them about climate justice. Because we all know trees are very important. But just with trees we can't solve this problem. So we need climate justice, which means this is the map we all know from school about the area of the bigger the area of the country, the bigger it's on this map. This is a completely different map. The bigger the population in the country, the bigger it's on this picture. And this is with carbon emission. The more the country pollutes, the bigger it's on this map. If every person would pollute the same, those two pictures should look the same. But we don't. The black line pretty at the bottom here, this is the whole world together. We pollute about 4 tons per year, every person. But it's not equal. And American pollutes 20 tons here. And European pollutes 9 tons, the red line. And then African pollutes about a half a ton, the green line. But this is not just. Because altogether, I told you we are with 4 tons, but this is too much. Because if we go on like we are now with 4 tons, the temperature will rise by 4 degrees, and the Greenland ice will melt, and the sea level will rise by 7 meters. So we have to go down to 2 tons. But no one will do it on its own. We have to have rules that people must do it. So we could have equal emission rights. So every person in the world is just allowed to pollute 2 tons, not more. And the Africans, who don't need so much because they pollute a half a ton, can sell their emission rights to us Europeans or Americans, which pollute more, and they can pollute more. And then the poor countries can invest in food or medical care and education. After we have those trees, this 1 million trees, we will go to the government and ask them for climate justice. I already have an appointment at the German government, so all the Germans in this room join me and come to the government, which is in October. In November, I have an appointment with the European government, so all Europeans come with go to that government, and we students should be allowed to talk at every United Nations meeting, and you go to your country and speak with your government.